Now what if I forgot to tell a thing in previous video, that what if this one, then you know the process, my friend, that this YH will be e to the power alpha x c1 x square plus c2 x plus c3 cos of beta x c3 x square c4 c5 was it, c4 x plus c6 sine of beta x plus dot dot dot, you know. Now let us do some problems. Problem number 1, start with this one. Solve. Problem number 1 says solve d square y dx square plus dy dx minus 2y equals to 0. What we will do, we will convert it in this d square plus d minus 2 into y equals to 0. Now from here d equals to minus 2 and 1. So complete solution here is c1 e to the power minus 2x plus c2 e to the power x. Now example number 2, d square x by dt square plus 6 dx dt, solve, always solve, dx dt plus 9x equals to 0. Let's write it in symbolic form. What its symbolic form will tell us about d square plus 6d plus 9 into x is 0. So d equals to minus 3 equal roots. You know what if equal roots, then the complete solution is nothing but c1 plus c2t e to the power minus 3t. Now third equation, the third example. Remember, the examples we are giving are just the examples just the types. I am giving one example each of each type. After that I will give you homework of one question from each type. After that you can do one book. After that you can do one book. I will tell the name after the class, okay, after the end of the class. So example number 3, solve d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4 equals to 0. Here the differential equation is already written in symbolic form, so we will have to do nothing but solute it. So how to solute it? The auxiliary equation is d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4 equals to 0. This will give common d square d plus 1 plus 4 into d plus 1 equals to 0. That is d square plus 4 into d plus 1 equals to 0. That is d equals to minus 1 and plus minus 2 I. Okay, so the roots are one pair of root is complex. What this complex are? So here m1 equals to 0 plus 2i, m2 equals to 0 minus 2i, m3 equals to minus 1. Remember, in such cases the CF or CS you can say is nothing but e to the power alpha x c1 cos of beta x plus c2 sine of beta x plus c3 e to the power m3 x plus dot 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 cn e to the power mnx. When the roots complex roots are alpha plus minus I beta. Here what it is beta is 2 and alpha is 0. So what we will write is complete solution as e to the power 0x c1 cos of 2x c2 sine of 2x plus c3 to the power minus x. m3 is minus 1 na, and nothing is there, so the final equation becomes c1 cos of 2x plus c2 sine of 2x plus c3 e to the power minus x. Okay, clear? Now solve 4 number question. This is solve d to the power 4x dt to the power 4 plus 4x equals to 0. So the equation in symbolic form is d4 plus 4 into x is 0. We can solute it as d4 plus 4 plus 4d square. Sorry, auxiliary equation we will have to write. d4 it is the auxiliary equation. यहाँ भी गलती की थी क्या? हाँ, यहाँ पे auxiliary equation ये होता है. So this is the auxiliary equation. Now d to the power 4 plus 4d square minus 4d square equals to 0 we can write. Now we will split this in this formula: a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. What we will get as this is what d square plus 2 cos square minus 4d cos square equals to 0. That is d square plus 2d plus 2 into d square minus 2d plus 2 is 0. From here we can write d square plus 2d plus 2 is 0 and d square minus 2d plus 2 is 0. If we solve these ones using Sridhar-Acharya's formula, what we will do: minus 2 plus minus root over of 2 square 4 minus 4 into 2 divided by 2. Oh, this is a complex number. This d is 2 plus minus root over of 4 minus 4 into 2 by 2. This is minus 1 plus minus 4 1 1 minus this is 2 means y just, and this is d equals to 1 plus minus 4 minus 1, this is also I. Then the equations are like this: cs equals to e to the power minus t c1 cos t cs xh equals to cos t plus c2 sin t plus e to the power t c3 cos t c4 sin t. This is the complete solution. Okay, now write some exercises on this. Problem number 1. Let me think where I will get all the 4 types. If I cannot get all the 4 types, so I am giving you 5 questions on type 1, type 2, type 2a. Type 2a is nothing but which I saw that when m equals to m1 equals to m2 equals to m3 equals to m4, or we can write like that. That is type 2a, type 3 and type 4. Okay, total 5 questions. First question is solve all this solve. Okay, d square x dt square plus 3a dx dt minus 4a square x equals to 0. Question number 2. Y double dashed minus 2y dashed plus 10y equals to 0, where y0 is 4, y dash 0 is 1. Third question is 4y double dashed triple dash, 4y triple dashed plus 4y double dashed plus y dashed equals to 0. You know the meaning of y dash, na? Y dashed is dy dx. Okay. Fourth one is d cube y dx cube. Am I not visible right now? D cube y plus dyx cube minus 3d square y dx square plus 3dy dx minus y equals to 0. And the last, final and fifth question means the fifth question. Actually book में sixth question लिखा गया है, इसलिए पढ़ने में फिर sixth question पढ़ लिया. Fifth question, because obviously I am not creating the questions, I am writing the questions from a book. The fifth question is d4y dx4 8d square y dx square plus 16y equals to 0. Solve these questions and write in comment. I will answer as I get time. Now a thing is that which I told you that which book to follow. You can follow a book named let me show you this book one. This is let me show. You can see it. I am writing the name. You can purchase this from both Amazon and from Bazaar also, from Flipkart also, from which online or from online and offline both, your will. The name of the book is Higher Engineering Mathematics. Written by B.S. Gravel. So thank you for being with us. Here we are concluding the first part of this differential equation, that is complementary factor, complementary functions, and we learn to find the complementary functions in 4 cases: type 1, type 2, type 4, type 3, type 4. In type 2 there is 2 cases or multiple cases, you can say, that when 2 roots equal, when more roots are equal. And after that we solved examples, and after that I gave you 5 problems which will be discussed later. In the next video I will discuss these 5 questions, so don't worry. You can also comment me the answers or write in your notebook, and when next day I will discuss the answers, you can match with them. Okay, so thank you, be with us. Signing off, E-Mathician.